Hi guys, thank you for watching. I wanted to bring you a relaxing clean with me. I think we all need a deep breath and a little relaxation. I know a lot of you watch these videos while you unwind after a long day, so I hope you enjoy this and let's get started.
It's not your fault and you don't deserve all the bad and the hurt.
I started filming this video after dinner and Chad is showing me the pieces I need to take out of the Ninja Foodi, I think it's called, so I can wash it. And we use this thing all the time. I should say he uses it all the time for our dinners. It's really great. It's just like a countertop appliance and it has a bunch of different settings on it that makes it so easy. And I basically am sharing with you sort of like our nightly routine, my nightly routine. I do this entire routine every few days. I like to keep the areas that we spend the most time in really clean, especially now more than ever.
It'll be alright.
I'm unloading the dishwasher now. We have so many meal prep containers and so many coffee mugs. We finally have a cabinet solely for coffee mugs and for the tumblers for coffee to keep them warm, which is really nice because at the last house, our water glass and coffee mug cabinet was so full. We were stacking things in very strange ways so we could make it work, and now we have a little extra room. So that is on the left side of the fridge, the right side of the microwave, with the coffee machine right underneath.
I know you've done your part. It's not fair. You did your time. How much longer?
And once the dishwasher is unloaded, I'm going to start washing everything. I'm going to load up the dishwasher. I'm going to wash the hand wash items. And I do have this rack. I've shared it so many times. I'm going to link some things from Amazon for you since a lot of us are not really leaving our house right now. I have some home things I've shared before, but I just want to reiterate and share them again. I also am finally going to use my mop in this video. It's an Amazon find. It has been on sale for several months, so it probably still is, and I love it. It's probably the first mop I've ever had that I honestly look forward to mopping with because it's super easy and it works with steam. It's only steam. You don't need any special products. It's just water, so it's been really nice to use. I use that at the end of the video.
Don't give up. Just hold on tight. It'll be alright.
I'm continuing to wash our dishes from dinner, get everything loaded up. And what I really like about this Ninja Foodi is it contains the mess since it's a lid that fully closes. So if you are making anything on your stove in a skillet, whatever it is, it tends to spray a little bit on the top surface of your stove. And this way, none of that happens. All of the mess is contained inside. I'm washing the pieces for it right now. Sometimes I hand wash them and then I will set them on that rack. And sometimes I throw them in the dishwasher like I am doing tonight. I also will have a link for the drying rack I have on the other side of the sink. It really is like a mat and it's so nice because when you're not using it, you can pull it all together and put it under your sink, put it wherever you want. I do pull it, I don't know why I can't describe that, but I do take it off there and it rolls up, I guess is the best way to describe it. So it doesn't take up a lot of space when it's not being used.
Have a nice day. All the guns and all the angels got them waiting at your table. 'Cause giving you my heart was not enough. One thing's true, I never asked for nothing more than you. Think about it. If I could, I would be the perfect deja vu.
If you are working on any projects today, let me know what they are in the comments. I always love hearing what everybody is up to. If you still enjoy these cleaning videos, hit the like button so I know to keep making them. And also subscribe if you're new here. I would love to have you. I try and post a lot of different kinds of videos. So many cleaning videos and organization and declutter. There's mommy videos, there's day in the life, a little bit of everything. I'm washing out the SodaStream bottles. If you don't know what SodaStream is, it's sparkling water at home, and it kind of looks like a coffee machine, and then you just put the bottle underneath it, push a button, and it makes sparkling water. It's really nice to have. We've had one for a long time, around 2 years I would say, and we go through phases of using it all the time and then not so much, but it seems like we always come back to it. I'm going to rinse out and wipe out the sink, and then we will keep on going.
Got them waiting at your table, 'cause giving you my heart was not enough.
Surface cleaning is next, but first, Forrest wanted to say hi to all of you right here. Still obsessed with the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface sprays. This one is the radish scent. I'm using a microfiber from Amazon. I will link to those too. I bought a big pack there and I have been using them for household stuff as long as I can remember. It has to be at least a year by now. They've held up really, really well. So I'm going to first spray down the counters and wipe all of them down, and then I'm going to disinfect them. I still really like the countertop sprays from Caldrea as well. I don't think I have shown those in a video lately. I have them upstairs, so I don't know. I guess I don't reach for them as much since I don't have them downstairs. I need to bring some of those downstairs too. I just thought I'd mention that. I've seen some questions about those, so yes, still really like those. I love the Caldrea and the Mrs. Meyer's because they just smell so good.
Soulmate sister, you know you are. I see you, you see me.
The hand wash items are now where they belong, and I try and do that while I'm taking care of the kitchen, so that way I can scrub down the mat and also scrub down that smaller side of the sink.
Fight every day by my side. Oh, oh, oh. My best friend God sent my own good fortune. You know you are my double favorite.
We're going to disinfect now, and I'm using a product from 7th Generation. This is a spray. It kills up to 99% of germs. I bought this at Target, and several people told me that you don't wipe it, so I want to mention that. I know I've said it before. You just let it air dry, and it really doesn't take that long at all. And I wipe the counters off first so they are clean, so that way the disinfectant can solely do its job. Now I'm going to use these wipes, and I also bought these from Target. It came in like a pack of 4, I believe, and I'm using these on tons of surfaces. So I'm going to wipe down the dining table. We still have those plates out solely for looks. We haven't sat there in a long time. We typically sit here at the countertop, and then I'm going to use it on a bunch of handles, so the faucet handle and all of the pulls throughout the kitchen.
You know you are. Oh, every time life gets rough, you know you are the one that picks me up, the one that fills my cup.
We're on to the downstairs half bath, and I clean this one so much more than the others since it is used way more often. I'm going to put out a fresh hand towel, and I am disinfecting everything with those wipes from Target. The faucet, the sink, the countertop, everything. This bathroom still doesn't have a toilet paper roll holder or a hand towel holder, hook thing, whatever you want to call those things, rack. I haven't even looked into those things, honestly. I need them for all the bathrooms, and I'm still trying to figure out like the styles I want to go and when we'll have a chance to do the project. So everything is going to be unfinished until I finally have a chance to look into that stuff. Now I'm vacuuming, and I do try and vacuum at least like every other day. The crumbs happen so quickly in the kitchen, and then they get dragged all throughout this level. And after this, we are going to mop and pick up in the living room.
Lonely road we go. don't believe a word you say. This kind of love is never ever lasting.
These things just never goes my way.
So this is what the living room looks like at the end of every day. Stuff everywhere. I'm going to gather up all of the items that can go upstairs or by the back door, wherever they belong, and take care of those first. Get the things off of the little side tables. That was a bunch of camera equipment and accessories. Get the baby toys out of the way so I can vacuum the rug. Forrest hangs out on this rug so much, and since he's on the rug, I try and keep it really clean. I try and vacuum it super well. Like, I will go over it once and then I will go over it again so I can make sure there's not any dust, or at least very minimal dust and crumbs. I'm lighting a candle now. I should have done this earlier to help with the whole relaxing feel and vibe that I'm trying to go for around the house, and especially in this video. I've been using a lot of the same candles from the same Etsy shop, so I will link that one below too.
Do you ever feel you don't get out what you're putting in? All your hopes and efforts are all in vain.
We are on to mopping now. This was a recommendation from all of you. I asked for mop recommendations for a while, and this one was the most commonly recommended by far. So I ordered it on Amazon. You know what I'm gonna say. I'm going to link it for you. And I really, really like this. I don't know if it's because I'm getting older or what, but I actually enjoy using this. It is so easy. All you do is fill the center section with water. It comes with 2 of those heads, and they are machine washable. And it also, like, it has the pad on either side. So if one side's dirty, then you can flip it to the other side. So it's really like 4 uses instead of 2. I believe you're supposed to use like a distilled water for it. I just use regular water from the tap. I'm not going to buy special water for my mop. If you are someone that has done that and it is like for a very important reason, then let us know in the comments. But I don't think it really makes that big of a difference to use a distilled water or regular water. And I'm going around the kitchen, starting by the pantry and the kitchen area, then the dining area, then the living room and the bathroom. I mop down here way more than upstairs or anywhere else, again, since we spend so much time in this area.
Tell you what you feel or who you are. Oh, there must be more. There must be another way. There must be conscious. Different things in different ways. There must be love.
And this is a steam mop. I can't remember if I said mop or steam mop. So it works to kill germs with heat. It also dries really, really quickly. That was something I was worried about, if the floors would like stay wet for a long time, and they don't at all. It honestly dries within seconds and you can see it. It definitely is hot, but it's not too hot. It's not going to burn your fingers or your feet. So it is a really good one. We're doing the dining area and then I'm working my way around.
I give it all to you for too long. There must be another way. There must be conscious, different things.
Wrapping up mopping in the living room, I'm doing the bathroom super quick, and then I'm going to start taking a lot of the fabric off of the baby toys. Forrest has his mouth all over everything at all times, especially if it's fabric. So I do like to wash his toys regularly if I can put them in the washing machine. It is so easy to do that, and I much prefer that over like scrubbing things by hand. So I'm going to take this seat off of this bouncer thing. I put it back on a few hours ago before I was doing this voiceover, and Forrest was watching me like, hello, hurry it up. I want to use that. It was really funny. I felt like he knew what I was doing, but he was still very impatient about it. So yes, so many fabric toys are machine washable. You just pull them off, put them in, flip them before you go to bed like I do, and then put them on the next morning. One of the last things we will do before the day is over is sanitize the bottles and teethers. Anything that can be sanitized in the microwave, I will put in these bags. I think the brand is Medela. These are very, very affordable, and the bags can be used up to 20 times. So these are like so much more affordable than a regular countertop sanitizer, and it is one less appliance that's going to take up space on your countertop. I really, really like these. That is basically everything. The last thing that I am doing that you will see on the screen is grabbing up everything that's going in the washing machine and taking it upstairs. Thank you for watching. I hope you are healthy and well. Please subscribe and like, and I will see you right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye.